Have you ever wondered what truly makes up your body? We often think of ourselves as purely human, composed entirely of human cells, flesh and bone. But what if I told you that only 43% of the cells in your body are actually human? That's right, more than half of what makes you, isn't human at all. The remaining 57% of your cells are microscopic organisms, like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea. These tiny passengers live in, on and around you, influencing everything from your digestion to your immune system. Welcome to Plasbo Fact, your go-to channel for uncovering the mysteries and mind-blowing facts about our world and beyond. If you love diving deep into fascinating truths, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Imagine this. You're not just one organism, but an entire ecosystem, a living, breathing habitat for trillions of microbes. It's a mind-bending idea, isn't it? These microbes are not invaders. They're collaborators, playing critical roles in your survival. They help break down food, protect against harmful pathogens, and even affect your mood and mental health. So who are we really? Are we simply human beings, or are we superorganisms, a complex blend of human and microbial life? As we dive deeper into this topic, you'll begin to see your body in a whole new light, and you might just question everything you thought you knew about what it means to be human. Let's dig deeper into the fact that 57% of the cells in your body are not human at all. They're microbial. That's right, you're more microbe than human. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other tiny organisms call your body home, forming complex communities that are essential for your well-being. But don't worry, these microscopic companions are mostly friendly. In fact, they've been with you since birth, shaping your health and even your very existence. Think of these microbes as your body's unsung heroes. They outnumber your human cells, yet they work tirelessly to keep you healthy. They digest the food you eat, help synthesize vitamins, and even fend off harmful invaders. Without them, life as we know it would be impossible. But how did this incredible alliance come to be? And why do these tiny creatures play such a vital role in your life? In this episode, we're going to explore how these microbial overlords have been silently ruling your body, guiding your health, and influencing your future in ways you've never imagined. You're about to discover that being human is much more complex and fascinating than you ever thought. The gut's microbial empire. If you think your gut is just a tube where food gets processed, think again. Your gut is a bustling metropolis, home to trillions of microbes that make up the gut microbiome. This microbial empire is so powerful that it's often referred to as a second brain. Why? Because these tiny organisms don't just digest your food, they communicate with your brain, influence your mood, and even affect your immune system. In many ways, your gut microbiome is like a central command center, orchestrating numerous bodily functions that are critical to your health. These microbes work in harmony to break down complex carbohydrates, produce essential nutrients, and regulate inflammation. They even play a role in protecting you from diseases by outcompeting harmful pathogens for resources. But here's the kicker: your gut microbiome is unique to you. It's shaped by your diet, lifestyle, and environment, making it a personalized ecosystem that's constantly evolving. As we dive into the gut's microbial empire, you'll learn how these tiny inhabitants are essential to your well-being, and why keeping them happy could be the key to a healthier, happier you. The evolutionary coexistence. The relationship between humans and microbes isn't just a recent development. It's been millions of years in the making. Evolution has shaped this unique coexistence, where microbes and human cells have learned to live in harmony. But this wasn't always the case. In the early days of life on Earth, microbes were the dominant force, and they've left an indelible mark on our evolution. Over time, our ancestors adapted to these microbial communities, forming a symbiotic relationship that has become crucial to our survival. Think of evolution as a grand dance between humans and microbes. As our species evolved, so did the microbes within us, each influencing the other in profound ways. This evolutionary partnership has helped shape everything from our immune systems to our digestive processes. It's a relationship that continues to evolve today, as modern science uncovers new ways in which microbes impact our health and development. By understanding this evolutionary coexistence, we can appreciate the deep connection we share with these tiny organisms, and how they've helped us become the complex beings we are today. The skin microbiome. Your skin is more than just a protective barrier. It's a thriving ecosystem, home to a diverse community of microbes known as the skin microbiome. This invisible layer of bacteria, fungi, and viruses plays a crucial role in maintaining your skin's health and protecting you from harmful invaders. Every inch of your skin is covered in these microorganisms, which work together to create a balanced environment that supports your overall well-being. But did you know that your skin microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint? It's influenced by factors like your genetics, lifestyle, and environment, making it a personalized shield that's constantly adapting to the world around you. These microbes help keep your skin hydrated, prevent infections, and even aid in wound healing. However, when this delicate balance is disrupted by factors like stress, poor diet, or harsh skincare products, it can lead to skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. In this segment, we'll explore the fascinating world of the skin microbiome, revealing how these tiny organisms are your first line of defense against the outside world. You'll discover why nurturing this microbial community is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Immune system allies. Imagine having an army inside your body, ready to defend you at a moment's notice. That's your immune system, and its greatest allies are the microbes that live within you. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in training your immune system to recognize and respond to threats. Without them, your immune system would be like a soldier without proper training, ineffective and easily overwhelmed. Your microbes act as sentinels, helping your immune system distinguish between friend and foe. They expose your immune cells to harmless antigens, teaching them not to overreact to things like pollen or food, which can lead to allergies or autoimmune diseases. They also help your immune system stay vigilant against real threats, like harmful bacteria and viruses. But here's the catch: a balanced microbiome is key. When your microbial community is diverse and healthy, your immune system functions optimally. However, when this balance is disrupted by things like antibiotics, poor diet, or stress, it can lead to a weakened immune response, making you more susceptible to illness. In this episode, we'll uncover the hidden role of microbes in your immune system, and how you can support this powerful alliance to stay healthy and resilient. The brain-gut connection. What if I told you that your gut could talk to your brain? It might sound like science fiction, but it's a well-established fact. Your gut and brain are in constant communication, connected by a complex network of nerves, hormones, and, yes, microbes. This relationship is so intimate that scientists often refer to the gut as the second brain. The gut-brain axis is a two-way communication system, where signals from your gut can influence your mood, behavior, and even cognitive function. For instance, certain gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in regulating mood and emotions. This means that the state of your gut microbiome can directly impact how you feel, both physically and mentally. Research has shown that an imbalance in gut microbes is linked to a range of mental health conditions, including depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But the good news is that you can support a healthy gut-brain connection through diet, probiotics, and lifestyle changes. In this segment, we'll explore the fascinating world of the brain-gut connection, revealing how your gut microbes could be the key to better mental health and cognitive performance. The invisible weight. You might be surprised to learn that all the microbes in your body add up to a significant amount of weight. In fact, the total mass of your microbial community is estimated to be around 2 to 3 pounds. That's roughly the weight of a small bag of flour or a couple of textbooks. But unlike the weight of your muscles or bones, this microbial mass is invisible to the naked eye, yet it's just as important to your health. These microbes don't just sit there passively. They're active participants in your body's processes. They help digest your food, produce essential nutrients, and even influence your metabolism. The weight of these microbes is a testament to their importance, showing that they're not just passengers in your body, they're co-pilots, guiding your health and well-being. But here's something even more fascinating. The composition of your microbiome can change over time, depending on factors like your diet, lifestyle, and environment. This means that the weight and impact of your microbial community are constantly evolving, influencing your health in ways you might not even realize. In this episode, we'll delve into the invisible weight of your microbiome, revealing how these tiny organisms carry the load when it comes to your health. The invisible weight. You might be surprised to learn that all the microbes in your body add up to a significant amount of weight. In fact, the total mass of your microbial community is estimated to be around 2 to 3 pounds. That's roughly the weight of a small bag of flour or a couple of textbooks. But unlike the weight of your muscles or bones, this microbial mass is invisible to the naked eye, yet it's just as important to your health. These microbes don't just sit there passively. They're active participants in your body's processes. They help digest your food, produce essential nutrients, and even influence your metabolism. The weight of these microbes is a testament to their importance, showing that they're not just passengers in your body, they're co-pilots, guiding your health and well-being. But here's something even more fascinating. The composition of your microbiome can change over time, depending on factors like your diet, lifestyle, and environment. This means that the weight and impact of your microbial community are constantly evolving, influencing your health in ways you might not even realize. In this episode, we'll delve into the invisible weight of your microbiome, revealing how these tiny organisms carry the load when it comes to your health. Antibiotics, a double-edged sword. Antibiotics are one of modern medicine's greatest achievements, saving countless lives by fighting off deadly bacterial infections. But there's a downside to these powerful drugs. They don't discriminate between harmful bacteria and the beneficial microbes that make up your microbiome. This means that while antibiotics are essential for treating infections, they can also disrupt the delicate balance of your microbial community. When you take antibiotics, you're essentially dropping a bomb on your microbiome. While the medication targets the harmful bacteria causing your illness, it also wipes out beneficial microbes that play crucial roles in digestion, immune function, and overall health. This disruption can lead to side effects like digestive issues, weakened immunity, and even the overgrowth of harmful bacteria like Clostridium difficile, which can cause severe infections. The long-term impact of antibiotic use is still being studied, but there's evidence to suggest that repeated courses of antibiotics can lead to lasting changes in your microbiome, potentially increasing your risk of chronic conditions like obesity, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. In this episode, we'll explore the double-edged sword of antibiotics, revealing how these life-saving drugs can also pose a threat to your microbiome. We'll also discuss ways to protect and restore your microbial community during and after antibiotic treatment. The role in metabolism. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a faster metabolism than others? Part of the answer lies in your microbiome. The microbes in your gut play a key role in how your body processes food and extracts energy from it. They help break down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and proteins into simpler compounds that your body can absorb and use as fuel. These microbes also produce short-chain fatty acids, which are important for maintaining a healthy metabolism and regulating appetite. In fact, research has shown that an imbalance in gut microbes, often referred to as dysbiosis, can contribute to metabolic disorders like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even cardiovascular disease. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how your microbes process it. Certain gut bacteria are more efficient at extracting calories from food, which means that two people eating the same meal could metabolize it differently depending on their microbiome. This fascinating interplay between diet, microbes, and metabolism highlights the importance of a balanced and diverse microbiome for maintaining a healthy weight and metabolic function. In this segment, we'll delve into the role of microbes in your metabolism, uncovering how these tiny organisms influence your body's ability to process food and maintain energy balance. The microbial fingerprint. Just like your fingerprints, your microbiome is unique to you. This microbial fingerprint is a reflection of your individual experiences, shaped by factors like your diet, lifestyle, environment, and even your genetics. No two microbiomes are exactly alike, making yours a one-of-a-kind ecosystem that's as distinctive as your DNA. What's fascinating is that your microbial fingerprint can reveal a lot about your health and lifestyle. Scientists are now exploring the potential of using microbiome analysis to diagnose diseases, predict health outcomes, and even personalize treatments. For example, certain microbial patterns have been linked to conditions like obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, and mental health disorders. Your microbiome also changes over time, adapting to your body's needs and responding to environmental influences. This means that your microbial fingerprint is not static, it's a dynamic reflection of your ongoing interactions with the world around you. In this episode, we'll explore the concept of the microbial fingerprint, revealing how this unique aspect of your biology can provide insights into your health, lifestyle, and future well-being. You'll discover why no two microbiomes are alike, and how understanding your own microbial community could unlock new possibilities for personalized healthcare. Microbes and disease prevention. Your microbiome is more than just a collection of microbes, it's a powerful ally in disease prevention. A healthy and balanced microbial community can protect you from a wide range of diseases, from infections to chronic conditions. These microbes work tirelessly to keep harmful pathogens at bay, produce essential nutrients, and regulate inflammation, three critical factors in maintaining good health. For instance, certain gut bacteria produce antimicrobial compounds that inhibit the growth of harmful microbes, effectively acting as a first line of defense against infections. Other microbes help regulate the immune system, preventing it from overreacting to harmless substances and reducing the risk of allergies and autoimmune diseases. But the protective role of your microbiome extends beyond just the gut. Research has shown that a diverse and balanced microbial community is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain types of cancer. The key is maintaining a healthy microbial balance, When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to dysbiosis, which has been linked to a range of health problems. In this segment, we'll uncover how your microbiome acts as a powerful ally in disease prevention, and what you can do to support a healthy and resilient microbial community. The future of medicine. Imagine a future where medicine isn't just about treating symptoms, but about restoring balance to your body's ecosystems. That's the promise of microbiome research. Scientists are now exploring the potential of microbiome-based therapies to treat a wide range of conditions, from gut disorders to mental health issues and beyond. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the concept of microbiome transplants, also known as fecal microbiota transplants, FMT. This procedure involves transferring healthy microbes from a donor to a patient, with the goal of restoring a balanced microbiome. FMT has already shown success in treating recurrent Clostridium difficile infections, and researchers are now investigating its potential for treating other conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and even autism. But the future of microbiome medicine doesn't stop there. Scientists are also developing personalized probiotics and prebiotics, designed to nourish and support your unique microbial community. These targeted therapies could one day help prevent or treat diseases by optimizing your microbiome, leading to more effective and personalized healthcare. In this episode, we'll explore the cutting-edge research that's transforming our understanding of health and disease, and how microbiome-based therapies could revolutionize the future of medicine. The microbial clock. As you age, so does your microbiome. This dynamic community of microbes changes over time, influenced by factors like diet, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. But these changes aren't just a reflection of your chronological age, they're also linked to your biological age, which is a measure of how well your body is aging. Research has shown that certain patterns in the microbiome are associated with aging and age-related diseases. For example, a decrease in microbial diversity has been linked to frailty, cognitive decline, and a weakened immune system in older adults. On the other hand, a diverse and balanced microbiome is associated with healthier aging and a lower risk of age-related diseases. What's fascinating is that your microbiome could potentially be used as a biomarker for aging, helping to predict your risk of age-related conditions and guiding personalized interventions to promote healthy aging. By understanding the microbial clock, scientists hope to unlock new strategies for extending health span, the period of life spent in good health, by optimizing the microbiome. In this segment, we'll explore how your microbiome changes with age, and what these changes mean for your health and longevity. You'll discover how keeping your microbial community diverse and balanced could be the key to aging gracefully. Probiotics and prebiotics. When it comes to supporting a healthy microbiome, diet is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Probiotics and prebiotics are two key components of a microbiome-friendly diet that can help nourish and support your microbial community. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These microbes can help replenish and diversify your gut microbiome, promoting digestive health, boosting immunity, and even improving mental well-being. But not all probiotics are created equal. Different strains of bacteria have different effects, so it's important to choose the right probiotic for your specific needs. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for your gut microbes. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and whole grains. By feeding your microbes the right nutrients, you can support a healthy and diverse microbiome, which in turn supports your overall health. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of probiotics and prebiotics, revealing how these dietary components can help you maintain a healthy microbiome. You'll learn which foods to include in your diet to nourish your microbial community, and how to make smart choices when it comes to supplements. The hygiene hypothesis. In our modern world, we are often obsessed with cleanliness. We use antibacterial soaps, hand sanitizers, and disinfectants to keep germs at bay. But could our quest for cleanliness be doing more harm than good? That's the idea behind the hygiene hypothesis, which suggests that our overly sterile environments may be contributing to a rise in allergies, autoimmune diseases, and other health issues. According to the hygiene hypothesis, early exposure to microbes is essential for the proper development of the immune system. Without this exposure, the immune system may become hypersensitive, leading to an increased risk of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune conditions. In other words, a little dirt might actually be good for you. But it's not just about dirt, it's about the diversity of microbes you're exposed to. Growing up in an environment rich in microbial diversity, such as on a farm or in close contact with nature, has been shown to reduce the risk of developing allergies and autoimmune diseases. On the other hand, growing up in a sterile environment may limit microbial exposure and increase the risk of these conditions. In this segment, we'll explore the hygiene hypothesis, revealing how our modern obsession with cleanliness could be impacting our health. You'll discover why a little dirt, and a lot of microbial diversity, might be just what the doctor ordered. The forgotten organs. When you think of organs, you probably picture the heart, lungs and liver. But did you know that some scientists consider the microbiome to be an additional organ? That's because it plays such a vital role in your body's function, influencing everything from digestion, to immunity to mental health. The microbiome is often referred to as the forgotten organ, because despite its importance, it's only recently started to receive the attention it deserves. This complex community of microbes acts like an organ in many ways. It's involved in nutrient absorption, metabolic regulation, and the production of essential compounds like vitamins and neurotransmitters. But unlike other organs, the microbiome is not static. It's constantly changing in response to diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors. This makes it a highly dynamic organ that's intimately connected to your overall health. When the microbiome is healthy and balanced, it supports a wide range of bodily functions. But when it's disrupted, it can contribute to a host of health problems, from digestive issues to chronic diseases. In this episode, we'll explore the concept of the microbiome as a forgotten organ, revealing how this invisible community of microbes is essential to your health. You'll discover why nurturing this organ is just as important as caring for your heart, brain, or lungs. In our modern world, we're often obsessed with cleanliness. We use antibacterial soaps, hand sanitizers, and disinfectants to keep germs at bay. But could our quest for cleanliness be doing more harm than good? That's the idea behind the hygiene hypothesis, which suggests that our overly sterile environments may be contributing to a rise in allergies, autoimmune diseases, and other health issues. According to the hygiene hypothesis, early exposure to microbes is essential for the proper development of the immune system. Without this exposure, the immune system may become hypersensitive, leading to an increased risk of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune conditions. In other words, a little dirt might actually be good for you. But it's not just about dirt, it's about the diversity of microbes you're exposed to. Growing up in an environment rich in microbial diversity, such as on a farm or in close contact with nature, has been shown to reduce the risk of developing allergies and autoimmune diseases. On the other hand, growing up in a sterile environment may limit microbial exposure and increase the risk of these conditions. In this segment, we'll explore the hygiene hypothesis, revealing how our modern obsession with cleanliness could be impacting our health. You'll discover why a little dirt, and a lot of microbial diversity, might be just what the doctor ordered. Microbial mind control. Could your microbes be influencing your thoughts, behaviors, and decisions? It might sound like science fiction, but there's growing evidence to suggest that your microbiome could have a significant impact on your mind. This phenomenon, sometimes referred to as microbial mind control, is an area of research that's capturing the attention of scientists around the world. One of the ways your microbes might influence your brain is through the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation. In fact, about 90% of your body's serotonin is produced in the gut, not the brain. This means that the state of your gut microbiome could have a direct impact on your mood and emotional well-being. There's also evidence to suggest that certain gut bacteria can influence your cravings and eating behaviors. For example, some microbes thrive on sugar, and they may send signals to your brain that make you crave sugary foods. This has led researchers to explore the idea that your microbiome could be playing a role in obesity and other eating-related disorders. In this segment, we'll dive into the intriguing concept of microbial mind control, revealing how your gut microbes could be influencing your thoughts and behaviors. You'll discover why taking care of your microbiome might be the key to a healthier mind and body. Who are you really? After exploring all these surprising truths about your body, you might be left wondering, who are you really? Are you just a collection of human cells, or are you something more? The answer is both fascinating and complex. You are not just a human being. You are a superorganism, a unique blend of human and microbial life. Your body is home to trillions of microbes that play essential roles in your health, from digestion to immunity to mental well-being. These microbes are not separate from you, they are an integral part of who you are, shaping your identity and influencing your health in ways you never imagined. But this also raises deeper questions about the nature of human identity. If you are only 43% human, what does that mean for our understanding of self? Are we truly individuals, or are we ecosystems, interconnected with the microbial world around us? In this final segment, we'll reflect on the profound implications of being only 43% human. You'll come away with a new perspective on what it means to be alive, and perhaps even a new appreciation for the intricate and interconnected nature of life itself. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What surprised you the most about the human microbiome? Do you think we should consider microbes as a part of our identity? Let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to read your insights. Thanks for watching Plasbo Fact, where we uncover the mysteries and truths that shape our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep questioning and exploring the wonders of life.